こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 54 of JLPT N4. Grammar form is always we're going to use MADA. This is adverb, not yet, MADA. And TK, this is te form of the verb. And いません, always negative, いません. Or いない. And very casual way, we also omit い, only ない. The meaning is not done yet. It means the continuous of this state, and this is not done yet. The subject of this sentence can be the first person, second, and the third, so everyone, and also the verb. Here, take, you can use transitive verb or also intransitive verb. I already explained in my grammar video number 28 of JLPT N4. In that case, 自動詞 intransitive verb in te form and いますています. This is to express the state. In certain way, this is the same. But now, today, we're gonna learn only in the negative sentence. And we're gonna use まだ, not yet. And here, take this verb. Before, we only used in the intransitive verb. But today, we can use intransitive verb, but also transitive one. Have you already had lunch? もう昼ご飯を食べましたか? もう昼ご飯を食べましたか? もう昼ご飯食べた? No, not yet. いいえ、まだです。まだだよ。This is the easiest way to answer. You can watch my grammar video number 21 of JLPT N5, and only we say まだです without saying any verb. I haven't eaten lunch yet. まだ昼ご飯を食べていません。まだ昼ご飯を食べていません。まだ昼ご飯食べてないよ。まだ昼ご飯食べてない。In this case, using まだていません, then it means I haven't had my lunch yet, but I'm gonna have it because I just didn't have enough time or something like this. But I'm gonna have it. But now I haven't eaten yet. Then what's the meaning if I don't use て form いません, but only ます form and the negative? まだ食べません or まだ食べない。In this case, the meaning is gonna change. まだ食べません。I'm not going to eat yet. This means I don't have any intention to eat yet. まだ食べません can be I'm not hungry at all. So まだ食べません。Or I'm on a diet and I'm gonna eat anything today. So I'm not gonna eat. I don't have any intention to eat like this. So まだ食べません it means I'm not gonna eat yet. But まだ食べていません now this moment I haven't had my lunch yet, but I'm gonna eat it. This is まだ食べていません In both cases, まだ食べていませんまだ食べません Just now, the same situation. I haven't eaten it yet. But the まだ食べていませんBut I'm gonna eat it later. まだ食べません I'm not gonna eat it later either. Oh, haven't you had your lunch yet? まだ昼ご飯を食べていない。食べていないんですか? まだ昼ご飯を食べていないんですか? まだ昼ご飯食べてないの? Actually, I haven't eaten anything yet today. 実は今日まだ何も食べていない。何も食べていないんです。実は今日まだ何も食べていないんです。実は今日まだ何も食べてないの。This sentence means that I haven't eaten anything yet till now, so far from the morning till now, but I'm gonna eat something. This sentence, instead of using まだ何も食べていません, if I say まだ何も食べません, then the meaning is different. The meaning will be, actually, I haven't eaten it yet, but I'm not gonna eat later either. Maybe tomorrow either. Yesterday I didn't eat it. Like this. So it's very strange meaning. So if we want to say the situation now, the state that not done yet, but maybe the situation will be changed, then in this case, we use まだ not yet, te form of the verb and negative いません. The cause of the accident is still unknown. 事故の原因はまだ分かっていません。事故の原因はまだ分かっていません。When we say まだ分かっていません, then it means so not yet so far. Maybe it will be clarified, but not yet so far till now. If we say まだ分かりません。まだ分かりません. This means we don't know it yet. So in this case, you can use both, almost the same meaning. But when we use まだ分かっていません, it seems that there's more hope to be clarified in the future. The bus hasn't departed yet. バスはまだ出発していません。バスはまだ出発していません。My son hasn't come back home yet. 息子はまだ帰っていません。息子はまだ帰っていません。息子はまだ帰ってないよ。I haven't done my homework yet. まだ宿題をやっていません。まだ宿題をやっていません。まだ宿題やってない。Mr. 高橋 isn't married yet. 高橋さんはまだ結婚していません。高橋さんはまだ結婚していません。高橋さんはまだ結婚してないよ。Oh, I haven't paid the rent for this month. 今月まだ家賃を払っていません。今月まだ家賃を払っていません。今月まだ家賃払ってない。The key hasn't been found yet. 鍵はまだ見つかっていません。鍵はまだ見つかっていません。鍵まだ見つかってないの。Here I used intransitive verb 見つかる、見つかっていません。Now 5 translations into Japanese using まだ te form of the verb and いません。1番目 I haven't cleaned the house yet today. The verb to clean 掃除します。2番目 The meeting hasn't started yet. The meeting 会議 The verb something starts. This is intransitive verb. Something が始まる。This is group 1. 3番目 The package hasn't arrived yet. A package or small packet. 小包み The verb to arrive, to get delivered. 届きます。This is also group 1. 4番目 I haven't watched that movie yet. 5番目最後です。The airplane hasn't arrived yet. The airplane 飛行機漢字 meaning. This one 飛びます。To fly. This one 行きます。To go. And this one 機 the machine. So this is the machine to go flying. 飛行機 airplane. The verb to arrive This is like an arrival and departure. So the bus, train, airplane, these kind of things. 着きます to arrive at some place. Some place に着きます。着きます。This is also group 1. It's very important to know when not done yet, always mada and te form of the verb and negative. ていません、ていない。If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, don't forget it either. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you'll help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日は副詞のまだ、これを使ってまだ何とかしていません。この表現を勉強しました。これは前に何かをしていなくて、その状態がまだ今でも続いているということです。そしてこの場合、この手形のところ、この動詞は他動詞でも自動詞でも両方使えます。それに主語も一人称でも二人称でも三人称でも何でも使えます。そしてこの今日のビデオではまだ食べていません。そしてまだ食べません。この違いも勉強しました。まだ食べていませんの場合は今のところまだ食べていないけど、でもこれから食べると思います。これから食べるつもりです。でもまだ食べませんというのは今のところまだ食べていません。でもこれからもまだ食べないと思います。食べるつもりがありません。ですから意味が全然違います。今日のビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。絶対に来てくださいね。お願いします。じゃあね、バイバイ。